If you are a great app developer, you can churn them out and stick them on app tools to sell. Guys, many companies and individuals want to start an app based business or create a new application for their existing business. In these cases, it's easier for them to buy a ready-made application close to or exactly the app they were looking or develop rather than develop it themselves or outsource, manage the application build. One thing, popular apps for sales span areas including games, productivity and business management. A notepad app made close to £1 lakh in 1 week in the early days of the App Store. To get going, you will need to be an expert developer, able to create robust code, also be comfortable with iOS and Android development languages. You will also need relevant development software that is Sublime and ergonomic high-powered computer setup to mitigate the health risk from the long hours you will be working and an email address. In terms of marketing, you can use Sell by My App and Fliptopia to list your applications for sale. Make sure to assess what's popular pricing before building an application to make sure you make a healthy return.